So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the media offline, which is a really annoying thing to see in DaVinci Resolve. So this is the one you see usually when you get this red, beautiful text saying media is offline. Now, I'll show you how to fix that. In DaVinci Resolve, when you receive this media is offline, most of the scenario, it means you have moved your folder. Let's say you have moved from one place to another, or you have just renamed the folder. So there is an easy way to fix it. You go to Cut Page, you select all media is missing, or just select if you only have one or two, and then you right-click. Click on this one called Relink Selected Clips, and you need to select the folder where your footage is. So in this case, mine is here under raw footages 1. And then you click on Open, and simple as that, you just have your footage coming back to life. This is the simple way of fixing the media offline problem in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you're not going to end up with a big bug and then you need further investigating, but I would say most of the cases you can fix the media offline just by doing this. See you in the next one.